Special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this smart ear stick to unbox and show you what comes inside of this package. Nothing around the edges. In the back just tells you ear wax removal tool. So let's open this on up. And so this is the, oh, we got some, let me cut this tape too. So we slide off the top of our box here. Nice. And so inside of here we have the Smart Ear Stick WS1 General Manual. Gives you the app to download because you're literally able to connect this to your smartphone through Wi-Fi to be able to actually see inside of your ear, which is pretty crazy. So, and then you have everything else you need right in here. We have an included USB Type-C cable for charging this device. We have, this looks like nail clippers in a way. This looks like some of the tips that go on the end of this to make it a little softer for your ears. And then lastly, is there anything? Oh, there is. There we go. Let's take this out, and that's it for the packaging. Here you got a little cleaner as well as a few, let's take a look at these. So yeah, I got this little cleaner, this little tool here, and then this one here, and then also these two little tools here. And then lastly, the actual ear wax. Oh, there was one more there. Kind of magnetized to it. And then this is the actual Smart Ear Stick. You can see at the bottom is your USB-C port for charging it. And if I turn it and take this off, you see you get your LED light instantly to be able to see. You got one little protective cover on it, kind of like these. That's really it. It's basically fully automatic based on this magnetic lid. So see, it's off, no light. As soon as I remove this, light cuts on. We get a green light here and we're ready to use this. As I mentioned, you can pair it with your smartphone to actually be able to see inside your ear to help clean it out. Pretty amazing. That should do it for this WS1 Smart Ear Stick. Again, thanks to the company for sending this to me to unbox and explain exactly what comes inside of this and how you can use it. And thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.